Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change password in Discord if forgotten on mobile. So let's get started. First open Discord app on your mobile. As you can see, I am already logged into Discord. In case you have forgotten the Discord password, then first you need to log out of Discord. To do this, tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here you will find your email ID used to log into Discord. Now scroll down and tap on logout option. Once done, you will be redirected to Discord home screen. Tap on login button. Now enter your email associated with Discord account. And tap on forgot your password link. This will send you an email with the instructions to reset your password. Open email from Discord to reset password. Now tap on reset password button. Select open with Chrome option. You will be redirected to change password page. Here just enter your new password. And then tap on change password button. Once you set the new password, go to Discord app and then log in using your email ID and new password. So that was a short tutorial on how to change password in Discord if forgotten on mobile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know in the comments if you face any issue. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.